wanted to thank you for checking out my course, Python for Geospatial. Look, let's be honest, you don't need to pay for a course to teach you how to write Python code. I've got more Python books than I know what to do with. And I can't even tell you how many sites that are out there that are going to show you how to code in Python for free. But I think the reason you're checking out this course is because you want to learn how to perform geospatial analysis with Python, and that's exactly what this course is about. You're going to work alongside me, and I'm going to show you how I put together Python scripts to solve geospatial problems. We're going to write native Python, and we're also going to write Python code that integrates with free and open source GIS software like Postgres and PostGIS, QGIS, and numerous geospatial packages that work with Python. And of course, we're going to also have an opportunity to write Python code using ESRI's Arcpy language. We'll work with raster data, vector data, database objects, and geocoding services, and we'll pull them together under a common framework. We're also going to be integrating these things together. I'll show you how to write Python code that will take geospatial analysis out of Postgres and integrate Microsoft Excel to perform statistical analysis, and then use a Python package to write out charts and graphs. And we're going to do this and never even have to open up the GIS. That's the beauty of Python. I really want to teach you how to integrate all of these software tools together. So when you're done, you'll know how to write Python code and work with many different Python packages. But most importantly, you'll know how to get the tools you need to build real spatial applications using Python and a number of different software platforms. Anybody can buy a book to learn how to program in Python. And I encourage you to not even buy a book. Just grab as many free resources as you can. But in this course, I want to be able to help you think like a spatial scientist and begin to pull in Python data or Python scripts and work with geospatial data to solve geospatial problems. I hope you enjoy the course.